What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. If you don't know who I am, I'm Cody Snow and this is Snow Vision, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review slash opening use of the Rippola battery operated fillet knife. So first off, we're going to open it up, and it's got a pretty nice case for it actually. It comes with some instructions on how to put the stuff together. I haven't used it. I've only opened it to charge the battery. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a 12 volt 2 amp lithium battery here. It goes in, and let's see how she slides out. You push it in. It's got two clips there. You push her in and pull it out. But that's one of the batteries, and it comes with a second battery here. So I don't have that one charged. Let's put this one back in there. And it comes with a set of blades and then a second set of blades that are a little bit smaller. So we got two set of blades there. I'll show you the inside of this here in a second. And it comes with a battery charger, of course. Turn this around for you guys. You can kind of see the inside of it. Try not to cut myself with these blades, but pretty decent case right now for it. So pretty much that's the opening of it. I went out and caught some fish this morning, so if you want to see that video, it's probably the last video I posted. We're gonna go up and we're gonna clean it. Here, let's put these blades in first, see how easy them are to put in. Hopefully they're pretty easy. Got unlock. I don't know how, let's see here. All right, so you got lock for your button, your power button, so you don't accidentally hit it. And this locks into place, and then there's a little red release button on the bottom, so you can just pop it back out. But there you go. It's unlocked right now, the button is. Sounds pretty good. Let's go fillet up some crappie. All right, we're out here. We got our cleaning board and the crappie that we caught from this morning. Like I said, this is the first time I've even used an electric knife. Every time I've cleaned one before, I always use regular fillet knife. So this is all new to me. So bear with me if I mess one up, but we're gonna try her out, see how she goes. Switched to the smaller one thinking the smaller one would be better, but actually I think I need the longer one, so I will be right back. All right, we're back with a bigger blade. I actually cut all the way through the fish on accident there, but we got her figured out now. There we go. There's one fillet. See if we can make it happen a little bit nicer on this side. That ain't bad. Nice big fillet there. That went pretty smooth there. Hopefully we can get it just as smooth on this side. All right, there you go. That's a nice big fillet off of a crappie. I'm gonna finish these other crappie up, and then I will meet you back downstairs, and I'll tell you how I think it went. We're back down here in the basement. Overall, for the first time ever using an electric knife or a battery powered one, I'd say it went pretty well. It's nice that you don't have to be hooked up to a cord, so you can do it pretty much anywhere on the back of your truck, wherever you're doing it. Couple things I would say, first time trying it, you don't have to push as hard as me, as you guys can see. Push as hard as I did the first time. As you can see, that first fish I actually cut all the way through the backbone to the other side. After doing a few of them, you just really lightly push and let it glide across down that backbone and then flip it over. I had to use the bigger set of blades for the crappie. I thought I was going to need the smaller set, so I switched, but I realized that this smaller set, actually, I'm not 100% sure what you'd use these for, because mostly everything you're going to be catching is at least as big as a crappie. Maybe you could, if you're only doing bluegill, you could do the smaller set, but I had to use the larger set. Cleaning them, they just come apart right here. They lock back in. They cleaned really easy. It seemed like they have a nice coating on them, and when I cleaned them, they cleaned up really fast. So I would say overall, user-friendly, and it worked nice. I think I'm gonna start using this all the time unless I catch 1 or 2 fish. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about it, like I said, it's the first time. So if the batteries are junk or they don't last very long or something sticks on it, I'll try to keep it updated on the video. But overall impressions are good. Thanks everybody for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.